Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to be learning the very simple Pratt or Shelby knot. The first thing you're going to need to know is that the seams of your tie are going to need to be facing outwards, so the tie is going to be backwards. Then you're going to make the thick end significantly longer than the thin end, and then you're going to take that thin end and just cross it over the thick end. The thick end is then going to come through the middle of the neck hole. So pull that through and that will create one little shoulder in the tie. Then we're going to take that thick end again from the same side and we're going to cross it over the front. Then we're going to take the thick end and it's going to come from behind through the neck hole this time. So pull that through. And then the final thing you're going to need to do is put the thick end through that single piece of fabric. And magically your tie will be facing the right way now. Grab the thin end and give it a little bit of a tug. Squeeze the bottom of the knot to try to make the nice shape. Tugging, pushing it up towards your neck, continuing to hold the thin end until you have that lovely triangular shaped knot. And there you have your very simple Pratt knot. So if you've done it, then please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. That will be super appreciated. We show you how to do all different kinds of tie knots on this channel. If you like my tie, then you can find us at reefknots.com and we will see you next time. Thanks.